to our first video on Weird World. Today we're going to make a giant 8-foot skeleton. It's super easy to do. All you need is a big cardboard box.
And some paint and some paintbrushes.
And?
Some scissors, tape and pencils.
Yep, that's all you need. So here we go. We're just going to do
this.
And it's very easy to do. It'll just take you an afternoon. So all you need, again, is a big cardboard box.
Some paint and some paintbrushes. Some scissors, tape, pencils, and this.
Pencil sharpener. All right, here we go. First step. So this is a skeleton we made last year. So there's 17 parts. And there's his skull, his spine, his neck, yep, spine, 2 parts of his rib cage. Very nice, very nice. Arm bones, 1, 2, and his hand on both sides, 1, 2 in his hand, very good. And then we got his pelvis bone, yeah. And then 2 leg bones with his stinky skeleton feet at the bottom. What do you think about that? Here I've sketched all the different body parts of the skeleton, all the different bones, all on this laid out cardboard piece. So you can stack all the bones together, and there's the hands, the feet, the 2 parts of the rib cage and the spine, pelvis, and the most important, the skull.
Face.
And the face.
The face.
We're painting this skeleton purple this year, and we're just painting all the bits.
We're nearly done.
And we're nearly done.